Preparing for wildfire. Wildfires can spread quickly and pose danger to communities, but you can be prepared to protect yourself.
Here are some simple tips to prepare yourself to safely face wildfires.
Stay informed about wildfire reports and forecasts in your area through your local authorities.
Create a defensive space around your home by removing dry vegetation and keeping the area free from flammable debris.
Develop an evacuation plan with your family and regularly practice getting out of your home safely.
Keep access roads clear to allow emergency vehicles access in case of evacuation.
Follow the recommendations of the authorities and evacuate if instructed to do so. Avoid areas with dense smoke or nearby flames.
After a wildfire, be cautious when returning home and assess structural damage before entering.
Remember to have your family emergency plan and your 72-hour emergency kit ready.
For more information about wildfire preparedness and disaster response, visit
Disaster preparedness is everyone's responsibility. Are you prepared? Remember, preparedness makes the difference. Prepare today.